So no matter what launcher you have, we're gonna fix it without opening it up today. Let's do it. We'll start with this launcher. This is actually a fake launcher that I have, and we're gonna just quickly take it apart like this. Okay, so these are the basic components of the launcher. As you can see, I have taken it apart. It's quite easy to do. This is basically to show you the mechanism of why it actually skips. So right here you can see that these are actually the clicks. These bumps are what make it click inside, and whenever you click your launcher, you actually wear these down. The bad thing is that they wear down, and once they do, this will be free spinning, just like what you saw. And this is that. What I did try to do is, of course, open it up, and nothing was wrong with it. The gears inside are actually very big. They're a different kind of gear, and they have a lot more engagement than this. And there is the problem, actually, of how to fix it. Because a lot of people think that it's inside of the mechanism, and that's these guys right here. Okay, so all these parts just come off. So you see, this is what gets worn down. To fix a Hasbro Beyblade is a little bit harder because of what they're made up of. So this is what I have, and what I actually use as a holder, like this. So this is where this came from. The hard part will be to actually, well, if we catch a bit of it, we'll see if we can fix the Hasbros too. So it's right here. We have one, and you can tell that it's very loose.
And that's precisely the reason why we don't click on the launchers. Now, it's very simple to do. The very first thing you should actually check for is if the middle is free spinning. You could use any kind of glue, really. I did notice that if you use crazy glue, that it's so watery that it might run into the mechanism. So that's why I'm using the hot glue gun method. And you gotta really get it into the crevices while lining up the little clicker. And that's of course what we talked about in the beginning of the video. And make sure you shake it around, and I mean pull the ripcord so that it doesn't dry in any of the mechanisms, and it's still able to be free spinning so that you could actually still launch your Beyblade. And you could do this with the Takara Tomy string launchers as well, if for some reason you have those already clicked out. This is the left-right launcher that came with Legend Spriggan, and even this one was not working well for me. And you could see at the end of the video, I will test every one of these launchers to see and show you that they actually work after this. And it's very simple. So once that is done, you're pretty much done. 2 simple steps: align it, and of course use the glue to secure it to the clicker, which is what actually wears down and prevents the launcher from working properly over the long run. You can do this with any Hasbro launcher, string launcher, slingshot, and of course the Rise Beyblade launchers, which are very popular nowadays and I think are going to make a big comeback.
So basically, look out for that opening on the Rise Beyblade. It's a lot easier. So you can see that big opening right there. I hope that this does help you. You could do it with all of these because, as you saw, they are all working now. Awesome. Till next time, guys, have some fun and let it rip.